Adrian.
I'm Mauricio.
I'm Eileen.
We're going to show you how to do multiplication using pictures.
First, read the word problem. Tommy and his friend Bob each have 3 gummy bears. How many gummy bears do we have in all? Next, quote the problem. There are 2 friends who have gummy bears. That means there are 2 groups. 2 is the group factor. So you need to write 3 equals 2. Each friend has 3 gummy bears. The word each helps you to find the each factor, so highlight it.
3 is the each factor, so write an E above the 3. There are 3 in each group. The question asks, how many gummy bears do they have in all? We need to find the total number of gummy bears. So write a T next to the question mark. The total is missing. Now we are ready to solve the problems. There are 2 groups, so draw a 2 rectangles. Write a 3 in each rectangle because there are 3 in each group.
To find the total, you need to skip count by 3 2 times. 3, 6. There are 6 gummy bears in all. Now we need to write a multiplication equation to represent the problem like this. 2 times 3 equals 6. Finish by writing a solution statement. There are 6 gummy bears in all.
That is how you solve a multiplication story problem using pictures.